Hello, I'm Sigrid Koch. I'm a Principal Solution Engineer. Today I'd like to show you how you can easily automate vendor creation. The agenda today will cover the top 10 use cases in finance, which includes vendor. We'll show you how you can automate a vendor creation process, both from the authoring side and then also consuming it as a business user. We'll go through potential savings, where to find examples, and then do a quick wrap up. The top 10 use cases for finance include vendor creation. Here you'll see a number of both transactional as well as master data. And here we have vendor creation. All of them have well over 90% time savings versus doing it manually. We have a lot of customers who are automating it using our solution, and the days saved is quite high. Now, the steps to create almost anything in SAP, and especially vendor, includes visiting a number of screens. Sometimes there are sub-screens and scrolling. And we found that our customers prefer using a business-friendly tool like Excel as the front end to interact with SAP, making it much simpler, quick, efficient, and easy. From the business author side, there are 3 modules and ways to interact with SAP. We can leverage transactions, automate just about any transaction within SAP. Query allows you to extract data out of the back end, both for operational type reporting and also to extract data prior to updating. You can also create automations with SAP using the many BAPIs and remote enabled function modules that are out there in the system. It's a very efficient way to interact with SAP. Today we'll cover transaction. So the studio authoring experience includes basically 3 steps for anything, and including vendor creation.